Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So, in the fag end of the 17th chapter of Canto 1. So, does anyone remember what we discussed last session?
The Kali Purush was laughing on Parikshit Maharaj when he gave him this
Yes, 5 places to stay. He was laughing at him and he said, I don't have to go to them, they will come to me. That is the speciality of Kali Yuga, that people will come to me. And then finally, Parikshit Maharaj restored the legs of Dharma. And then Yudhishthira Maharaj handed over the kingdom to him. And they all went for Swarga. And now Parikshit Maharaj is now ruling. So read the last verse of the 17th chapter. So we'll go to the 18th chapter today.
45.
Yeah.
Maharaj Parikshit, son of Abhimanyu, is so experienced that by dint of his expert administration and patronage, it has been possible for you to perform a sacrifice such as this.
Yes. So he's just glorifying Parikshit Maharaj by your sing, you are able to do this sacrifice. Let's go to the chapter number 18 today. Let's start with chapter number 18. This is one of the very important chapters. 18 and 19 very important chapters.
Sri Sutta Goswami said, due to the mercy of the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, who acts wonderfully, Maharaj Parikshit, though struck by the weapon of the son of Drona in his mother's womb, could not be burned.
So again, Parikshit Maharaj, Sutta Goswami is now reminding us about his childhood pastime when he was in his mother's womb and the weapon of Brahmastra fired by Ashwatthama was trying to kill Parikshit Maharaj, but Parikshit Maharaj was saved from that. Yes.
Furthermore, Maharaja Parikshit was always consciously surrendered to the personality of Godhead, and therefore he was neither afraid nor overwhelmed by fear due to a snake bird which was to bite him because of the fury of a Brahmana boy.
One next verse.
Furthermore, after leaving all his associates, the king surrendered himself as a disciple to the son of Vyasa, Sukdev Goswami, and thus he was able to understand the actual position of the personality of Godhead, and at last gave up his material body on the bank of the Ganges. This was so because those who have dedicated their lives to the transcendental topics of the personality of Godhead, of whom the Vedic hymns sing, and who are constantly engaged in remembering the lotus feet of the Lord, do not run the risk of having misconceptions even at the last moment of their lives.
So here the importance of devotion is being glorified. In the last minute of your life also, if you do devotion, your ticket is confirmed. Please.
As long as the great powerful son of Abhimanyu remains the emperor of the world, there is no chance that the personality of Kali will flourish.
This is most important point. भाई जब तक परीक्षित महाराज है तब तक there is no question of flourishing. Kali may survive, may stay, but it will not flourish. So flourishing is also an important aspect of Kali Yuga. That Kali Purusha should spread his effects, put his effects on everyone, and then only we all can be getting more notorious day by day. One more verse.
The very day and moment the personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, left this earth, the personality of Kali, who promotes all kinds of irreligion activity, came into this world.
So, जब तक कृष्ण थे प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, कृष्ण गए और now let's understand here why till Krishna was there, why there was no problem, why we are saying there was no irreligion before Kali Yuga. Show me one yuga where there was never a religion existing.
God came
Satyuga.
because he wanted to kill the
In Satyuga also we found demons. Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha and all those other demons. In Treta, Ramayana, the entire Ravana and his gang.
Probably in fact, I would say अभी से ज़्यादा उस टाइम थी because they used to perform yoga and आके वो मारते थे खा लेते थे अभी
It
ऐसा
was
तो
more
नहीं
difficult. It was tougher. It was little tougher. And lifespan also very long.
No, मर भी नहीं रहा
Second. Third, the most another challenging. कृष्णा के टाइम पे कृष्णा के सामने
कृष्णा
अच्छा
निकले इतने
खुद कृष्ण के सामने अच्छा कृष्ण से मांग रहे हैं प्लीज नारायण सेना दे दे नारायणी सेना दे देना आई विल फाइट विद दैट नारायणी सेना एंड यू नो लाइक एवरीथिंग नॉनसेंस इज हैपनिंग राइट अंडर हिज नोज एंड देन वी आर नाउ इधर हाय तवा कर रहे हैं कलयुग के लिए अरे यार फर्स्ट यू सी दिस series of sequences which has happened in the earlier yugas and then how can you say that this yuga is bad
तो इसमें कुछ तो अच्छे थे अब तो सब लोग ही ऐसे हैं पहले कुछ तो अच्छे थे थोड़े डेमन थे एवरीवन इज डेमन ओनली
no actually the acharyas have got a very nice bhav on this you know I was reading a nice Sri Sampradaya book and I got those points, and which was really striking, which was really impactful. So I made some points from that, and I wanted you all to understand these points. So, Param Padma Sopana, that is a book called Paramas Padma Sopana. It comes under subsects of Sopan means the word Sopan means steps. सीढ़ियाँ किधर जाने के लिए वैकुंठ वैकुंठ जाने के लिए स्टेप्स वेरी स्टेप्स एंड यहाँ पे भी 9 स्टेप्स डिस्क्राइब किया वेदांत एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू द डेप्थ ऑफ इट बट यू ऑल शुड अंडरस्टैंड द रेलेवेंस एंड इंपॉर्टेंस एंड अगेन इन दैट 9 स्टेप्स फॉर अस इज ओनली 5 स्टेप्स वी हैव टू ट्रैवल लास्ट 4 स्टेप्स ही विल टेक अस दैट इज हिज हेडेक हिज ड्यूटी आपने को सिर्फ 5 स्टेप्स सीढ़ियां चढ़नी है बट 5 सीढ़ियां चढ़ते चढ़ते हम लोग 5 सीढ़ियां छोड़ो पहला सीढ़ी हमको लगता रहे इतना ऊंचा सीढ़ी चढ़ेगा कैसे करेंगे सो दिस इज वन वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई कलयुगा नो पीपल आर कर्सिंग कलयुगा अरे प्रभु जी कलयुग है या कलयुग का दोष है अरे बाबा इट्स अ बेस्ट गोल्डन युगा एंड a person with higher interest we are supposed to be Kali-yuga people are supposed to be intelligent people no? Apple iPhone, Apple MacBook, then latest gadgets, whatever you call it, you know, hybrid cars and this and that. We are supposed to be the most evolved, technically evolved. Even in drones, अभी क्या war में क्या drones use हुए, you know, like you know, I've said first time I heard or I came to know that the drone first drills inside and then it goes and blasts. Earlier they used to blast on the spot itself. Now this will drill inside and go.
maximum damage.
Maximum damage. So I mean we are technically evolving more and more, but Rakshasas are also evolving more and more. That is the problem. So this war of good and bad has been there from ages. उस जमाने से है जब सतयुग से टाइम से है तो कभी भी ये मत सोचना कि आराम हो जाएगा और एक गारंटी भी देता हूँ कि ये शास्त्र कहता है मैं नहीं कहता हूँ भागवत में कहा गया कि भाई एंड में कलयुग में कली राजा कली कैसे आएंगे बिहार में पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा वो पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा सुना है ना कम से कम बिहार में I forgot the name of the person ब्राह्मण के घर पे पैदा हो and he will kill the entire asuras and then again pralaya will come and then satyuga will start but that is supposed to be the epitome of Kali Yuga but वो epitome तभी रहेगा मतलब अब जो हो रहा है वो सब कुछ भी नहीं मतलब the nonsense which is happening latest news what I heard was husband and wife adopted a child and that child is now 8 years old she murdered her own mother no. This is what is Kali. She plotted with 2 men or boys, whatever you call it, and she murdered her own mother who had adopted her, and she is now 8-year-old. That's all. Only 8-year-old. I mean, we all are shocked. But Shastra says, remember, that lady was not destined to get a child. When you try to fight against destiny, destiny takes its own way. You can't change destiny. And ये किसी जन्म का उसका दुश्मनी था जो इसने इस जन्म में, definitely we cannot leave her that I mean, saying that we cannot excuse her, but the point what I'm trying to say is this is what is happening in Kali Yuga. So this is the first golden period of Kali Yuga. Just imagine what will happen 4,32,000 years, let's say 10,000 years, 500 years, 5,000 years have gone. Or another 10,000 years of total is supposed to be good. उसके बाद क्या होगा सोच के देखिए. So Kali Yuga has got its own silly problems. It's not major. It's a golden Yuga. Devatas want this Yuga. They desire this Yuga. They want this Yuga because ये युग में shortest time पे आप निकल सकते हो. बाकी कोई भी युग में इतना short time पे नहीं निकल सकते. ध्रुव महाराज को भी इतना तपस्या करना पड़ा सतयुग. और रही बात आपके राक्षसों को, उनको भी बहुत तपस्या करना. यहाँ पे राक्षस को भी ज्यादा तपस्या करने की जरूरत नहीं, फटाफट कोई भी संगठन में घुस जाओ. आप राक्षस. There are so many terrorist organizations. Join any one of them and you are just stressing. So that's why Krishna says, after Krishna left, Parishad Maharaj studied Kali very nicely, and he said, "You are the right person to take care." Now this verse is basically the seeding for why did Parishad Maharaj had to die in such a way by putting a dead snake on the neck of Rishi. Why? Because as long as Parishad is there, Kali Yuga cannot flourish. तो उसको फ्लरिश करने के लिए इसको हटाना जरूरी था, और इसको हटाना है तो ये एज इट इज हटने वाला नहीं है. So make him do something wrong by which he will be cursed, but that curse itself became a big benefit for all of us. Not only for Parishad Maharaj, but for all of us by getting Bhagavad. So it is said, why are these 9 steps for going to Goloka is important? Because unless and until these 9 steps are not realized properly, or rather the first 5 steps, it is going to be next to impossible in Kali Yuga. So many benefits, but hardly any drawbacks in Kali Yuga. But it is our mind, which pulls us away from coming into the devotional path. The first step is Vivekam. Vivekam means intelligence. That is आपका भेद बुद्धि होना चाहिए, क्या सही है क्या गलत. अब यहाँ इस धरती पे क्या सही है क्या गलत है, ये भेद बुद्धि क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Why we are not getting this intellect of what is good and what is bad? What is the reason?
Mind has overtaken it.
Mind has overtaken it. Sir, ठीक है. तो now Lord says, okay, पहले चीज तो मुझे इन लोगों को विवेक देना पड़ेगा. Knowledge, intelligence, rationality, rational thinking, so that they will come to me. So first and foremost, the question comes: why is God worried about us?
We are part of God.
So how do we understand that? Simple. Let's say, Mataji, you are wearing a kundal, nice earring, और उसमें से एक सोने का एक बूंद, काफी 2-4 बूंदे हैं, उसमें से एक बूंद गिर गया. कौन वो बूंद जो गिरा था, small piece of gold, will it search you or you have to go searching? So where have we fallen from? So who has to come searching for us? It is his problem, it's not our problem. That's why he is facilitating us. He is facilitating. सीधी बात है ना. आपके कान का कुंडल या आपके हाथ का कोई चीज गुम हो गया हो तो ढूंढने आप निकलोगे. मेरा अंश है भाई. It's my gold, it's my ring, it's my earring or whatever you call it. उसका अंश है तो मुझे ढूंढना है. So Lord is creating all facilities, but best facility is in Kali Yuga. सब आचार्य लोग आके एस्टैब्लिश करके गए. Acharyas have already come and established the process of devotion. And what does Acharyas are trying to tell us? What are the Acharyas trying to say? Why? You cannot approach God of your own, because of your own you don't have the intellect to understand God. We are interested in our own sweet world. We are happy in our own sweet world, doing our same old, whatever जो हमको करना है कर रहे हैं हम लोग. But that's not the right attitude. We need to change. We need to change for good. That is why Acharyas have given us this Vivek Buddhi. Vivek Buddhi means why and how you are special. As a human, what you are supposed to do in a human birth, what you are supposed to achieve. The second step is Nirvedam. I will take 3 steps and then I will discuss, because all 3 are interconnected. Nirvedam, that is realization. पकड़ के 100 लेक्चर सुना दिया, बट उसका रियलाइजेशन अगर सामने से नहीं हुआ ना, एवरीथिंग इज अ व्हाट रियलाइजेशन. Everyone says, I want to enjoy, live happy. But one has to realize, whatever has been given to you, God is making, He has created this whole world for our purpose, so that we can utilize it and go back to it. पहला देखा, अरे इंसान को क्या दूं, चलो एक अच्छा शरीर देता हूं. तो क्या ये घर बनाया, हड्डियां द पिलर्स, प्लास्टर, और जो बाल है वो ऊपर का छत. इधर भी बड़ा छत बना के दिए, सब बना के दिया. Everything you see, our body is very much like a house, right? From the drainage system to everything has been made and fitted, everything properly. Just imagine the value of a kidney is only when you go, you see इतना बड़ा dialysis machine. इतना छोटा सा किडनी काम कर रहा है, उसके लिए इतना बड़ा डायलिसिस मशीन चाहिए. Just imagine, अगर पूरा बॉडी को अगर बाहर से करना है ना, acres of land will be required for digesting 1 kg of food. And how many tons of food we have dumped till now. So Lord has given you all the facilities. Slowly and steady. First He gave a house. Then in the house, what are the requirements? He needs food. He gave food. He requires water. He has given us water. Given us all the resources required. But हमारा गड़बड़ किधर है? Misuse of those resources for as if we are getting attached to it. We are supposed to enjoy it. Second biggest problem. First is resources are given for our utilization and our receipt. But for what purpose? To achieve God. For that He has not only given us the resources, He has given us the senses also. इंद्रियां भी दी हैं, और इंद्रियों का काम भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वापस उसमें भी मिसयूज, टोटल मिसयूज ऑफ सेंसेस. सो ये 2 चीज होने के बाद आपके अंदर काम, क्रोध, लोभ सब दिया है भगवान को प्राप्त करने के लिए, बट सब अगेन मिसयूज. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस, आई एम नॉट डिस्कसिंग दिस पॉइंट अगेन. And at what point have we realized that yes, nuksan? Let's say your father gives you 100 crores to start some industry or something, and you start the business. By any chance you lose out of that 25-30 crores, loss came. So what will be your realization? Bhai, 30 crore ka nuksan. At least this realization will be there. I mean, whatever the reasons are, I am not talking of that, but you will have a feeling, I lost 30 crores money, or you earned that money and by any chance you lost. Have you got any realization or repentance of what we have lost by having gained a human birth? We have not utilized it. नुकसान हो गया. नुकसान, सबसे बड़ा नुकसान किसका हुआ है? भक्ति ना करते हुए इस धरती में चिपके रहने का नुकसान हुआ है. We are stuck in this world And we are talking of big profit and loss. GDP growth, which budget आएगा, GDP growth बात सब लोग आ रहा है. Even third, कोई भी लल्लू पंजा आदमी यहाँ GDP गिर गया. What is GDP उसको भी मालूम.
रेपो रेट कम हो गया,
हाँ, रेपो रेट कम हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, मार्केट क्रैश हो गया. अरे क्या नुकसान हुआ? सबसे बड़ा नुकसान तो तूने मनुष्य जीवन पाके भी तूने वेस्ट कर दिया. You have wasted it. इधर 1000 रुपए का नुकसान कब पड़ा है या लाख रुपए का नुकसान कब पड़ा है? तुमको अपना मनुष्य जीवन, ह्यूमन बर्थ विच यू हैव वेस्टेड, उसका नुकसान का पड़ी नहीं. सो यू आर अ पुअर बिजनेसमैन. You don't know what is your actual benefit, actual profit. Because material profits finally are going to stay in this material world. That is the best part. At the time of death, you are not going to carry anything. Neither this body for which you applied all the cream, all the food you ate, all the best things you wore, all the best clothes you collected, everything is going to finally stay. What you're going to go is only the subtle body. There is a soul with mind, intelligence, and ego. It is going to go. Without realizing that, we are trying to. अच्छा, अगर समझो गलती से आप लोग सत्संग में आ गए, तो उसका कारण क्या है? What is the reason why people have come for devotional path? Oh, a little are there. How many of us who are going to complete the journey is secondary, but at least few people have embarked on this journey towards devotion. तो उसका कारण पाप है या पुण्य है? तो सुकृति आया कौन से? अगर हमारा पास्ट देखेंगे ना, भागवत में तो 27 नरक का वर्णन है, बट एक्चुअली अपने को 29 नरक में जाना पड़ेगा. इतने पाप किए, एक पाप के लिए एक नरक है, और हमने एक पाप किए. वी हैव डन अनलिमिटेड सिंस एंड इन एवरी बर्थ ड्यू सिन. एक बर्थ में एक खाया तो एक जन्म में कुछ किया, सो है ना, एक जन्म में दारू पिया तो एक जन्म में नॉनवेज खाया. सो इफ यू सी बिलियंस ऑफ बर्थ, वी हैव डन सो मेनी बिलियंस ऑफ सिंफुल एक्टिविटीज फॉर विच लॉर्ड सॉ. क्या करें, इसको कैसे ले ऊपर? पाप ही पाप है इसका कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट, एक भी पुण्य नहीं है. आंसर में हमारे जमाने में, आई डोंट नो अभी का जमाने, ग्रेस मार्क्स चाहिए ना, कुछ तो लिखना चाहिए ना, कुछ तो लिखेगा तो टीचर ग्रेस मार्क्स देगी. 2 मार्क्स, दो इट इज नॉट वर्थ इट, बट एटलीस्ट pitying you for the attempting you have done and for the little whatever nonsense you have written, the teacher will give you 2 marks or 3 marks. पर यहाँ इंसान ने कोई attempt ही नहीं किया, कोई never try to do. So Bhagavan then starts with Agyat Sukriti. He starts finding out reason by giving you points. जैसे आगे मैंने बताया ना, just लिखा है, 2 लाइन लिखा है, कुछ भले फिल्मी गाना लिखा है, आपने कुछ साइंस पेपर में कुछ फिल्मी गाना लिख के आए, चलो अच्छा है, गाना तो अच्छा गा रहा है, चलो 1 मार्क इसका दे देते, एटलीस्ट 1 मार्क देता हूँ, तो एटलीस्ट यू गेट, देन यू कैन कमेंट, टेल मम्मी आई गॉट 5 मार्क्स. क्यों? गाना लिख के, नॉट फॉर सिंग. सो एटलीस्ट यू गेट समथिंग. सो what did Lord do? He started giving us Agyata Sukriti. Now, what is Agyata Sukriti? There are various varieties of Agyata Sukriti. For example, you had a cow, some birth, you had a cow in your house, and the cow was running, and you ran behind the cow, and the cow ran around the temple, and you also ran around the temple, unintentionally, without any knowledge that I am running, I am circumambulating the temple, मैं प्रदक्षिणा कर रहा हूँ, मालूम नहीं, बट भगवान ने, अरे अच्छा मेरा मंदिर का प्रदक्षिणा किया, 2 मार्क्स दो उसको, मार्क्स दो. और क्या किया उसने? हाँ, जा रहा था, कोई भागवत बोलने वाला, मतलब कोई साधु, कोई संत जा रहा था, उनको देख के सिर्फ ऐसा प्रणाम किया, मेरे भक्त को प्रणाम किया, मार्क्स दो उसको. मतलब बोलते ना, लुटा रहे, मार्क्स देने का बहाना ढूंढ रहे थे. लॉर्ड इज ओनली सर्चिंग a reason to give you some sukritis. And finally, there are n number of type of sukritis. For whatever you have given to a Bhagavad speaker or for any other service, for that also, he has given it with an intention of name, fame, power. कई लोग हैं ना मंदिर में 10 लाख का 20 लाख का सब देते हैं, डोनेशन देते हैं. वो लोग चाहते हैं कि उनका नाम लिखे या उनका नाम अनाउंस हो, चलेगा. उसके बावजूद उसको कुछ तो किया है, उसने कुछ तो यस ट्राई टू डू, तो उसके लिए उसको सुकृति. इस तरह से सुकृति देते 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 जब थोड़ा सुकृति जमा हो जाता है, भगवान क्या देते हैं उसको? सत्संग. जाओ सत्संग में बैठो. तो आज जितने भी हैं, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ, कुछ अज्ञात सुकृति किया है हमने, इसके लिए हम लोग आज बैठे. और बैठ के क्या कर रहे हैं? गुरुओं की वाणी सुन रहे हैं, आचार्यों की वाणी सुन रहे हैं. वी आर लिसनिंग टू द वर्ड्स ऑफ द आचार्यस व्हिच टीचेस अस द प्रोसेस ऑफ गोइंग बैक टू गॉड. एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, what do you say, bias way in which God does. God is very biased, just to pull us back. He is doing so many things. Pehle he gave us river, water, air, body, this fruits, vegetables, everything he has given. Then he gave us agyata sukriti. Then he gave us acharyas and knowledge to gain this thing. Everything he has given. And then when with all this, what do we do? चलो फर्स्ट ज्ञान मिल गया, आचार्य गुरु से ज्ञान मिल गया, चलो आई शुड नॉट डू पापा, कम से कम पाप तो नहीं करना चाहिए, पुण्य करना चाहिए. ये बेसिक ट्रेनिंग मिलता है हम लोग सबको, पुण्य करो स्वर्ग में जाओगे. बट देयर इज अनदर कैच टू दैट. यू से प्रभु जी वी नो द कैच, पुण्य खत्म वापस इधर, वो बड़ा पुण्य कैच नहीं है. देयर इज अ बिगर कैच टू दैट. Here, though you are so called independent, you are under some rule, some king, some rule. I mean, some governing. You go to Swarga, you will have a king there also. Indra is a king there, so you have to be under a rule. So where is independence? Only in Goloka there is independence. There is no independence here. यहाँ पे कोई आपको no, we may say we are independent. We are 100% dependent. Right from the maid servant to everything they are dependent. For every factor, आज पानी आया नहीं है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, ये नहीं वो नहीं, but there everything is. So there it is better that we go back to a place where we are actually independent, rather than a place where we have got a feel good factor of being independent. So after all this, चलो I have understood, आचार्य की बात समझ में आया. फर्स्ट सीढ़ी चढ़ गया, सेकंड सीढ़ी पे आया. अब मैं रियलाइज किया मेरा जिंदगी वेस्ट हो गया है. आई शुड नाउ सिंसियरली थिंक ऑफ गोइंग बैक टू गॉड. उस स्टेज पे हम लोग का और एक बड़ा गलती किया ना, हम लोग नीचे देखते हैं. वी टेंड टू सी बैकवर्ड्स. इतना चढ़ के आ गया ऊपर. We have that feeling, all of us, right? I've attended Bhagavatam class, Bhagavad Gita class, सब क्रैश कोर्स, अंडर क्रैश कोर्स, ये कोर्स वो कोर्स सब कर लिया है. एंड आई हैव गॉट नॉलेज. मैंने 10-10 शिक्षा गुरु का लेक्चर सुनता हूँ, 10-10 ब्रह्मचारी का लेक्चर सुनता हूँ, 10-10 गुरु महाराज का लेक्चर सुनता हूँ, मैं 10-10 का सुनता हूँ. ये दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ड्रॉबैक कि वो पॉइंट में घूम के जब नीचे देखते हैं ना, what do you see? You think yourself you have climbed a very big step, and you say now here are the tortoise story. अभी आगे क्या है? आराम है. वो इतना तो हो गया, तो इतना बचा कितना?
तो बाकी सब नीचे वाले तो
बहुत है पीछे, मेरे बहुत पीछे.
निम्न नहीं,
मैं इतना ऊपर एलिवेट हो चुका हूँ. And this is how we are always in some form or the other, we are deceived. We are deceiving our own selves. This is something which we have to apply in our life. Devotion means a different thought process altogether. Devotion doesn't mean मैंने आज ज्यादा माला कर लिया, आज मैंने ज्यादा लेक्चर सुन लिया. क्या परिवर्तन आया आपके अंदर is more important. It is not the quantity of lectures, it is not the quantity of prashadam, it is not the quantity of puja part what you have done. What matters is what changes actually come inside. ये 2 स्टेप होने के बाद तीसरा स्टेप आता है. That's another beautiful step. विरक्ति. Right? हाँ. Viraktam. That is virakti. Now, what is virakti? Simple. Unattached. Detached. Okay. Or this is how Acharyas. That is why I've taken this.
Attachment to God and detachment.
Anything which is attaching you to this world, that you have to detach. But you should not give up the attachment to God, because attachment has been given to you to get attached, but you are using it for the wrong purpose. It's like, I don't know, which we don't have any game nowadays like that, which wherein you have been given a resource, but वो अभी समझो आपने बच्चे को दिया है 100 रुपए, जाके ब्रेड लेके आ. एक एग्जाम्पल दो. वो गया और वो 100 रुपए के कुछ और लेके आपने खा लिया. Suppose he bought some pizza or something, whatever get in that buck, he eats it and he comes home empty-handed. What will be your feeling? Okay, Dumbo, I send you with a purpose and you misuse that, and I have given you the resource also. I have not asked you to earn also. मैंने तुमको पैसे देके भेजे, तेरे को सिर्फ लेके आना था, उसके जगह पर तू उस पैसे को उड़ा दिया. सेम वे हमको विरक्ति दिया है भगवान ने. This is a stage which comes automatically with knowledge, but virakti without knowledge is most dangerous. बहुत सारे लोग हैं ज्ञानी, so called ज्ञानी, first stage को bypass कर देते हैं, and they will come directly to stage 2. Now, simple example. हस्बैंड वाइफ में झगड़ा हो, हस्बैंड परेशान है, जाता हूं मैं, संन्यास लेता हूं मैं, काशी जाता हूं. नो, इज दैट जस्टिफाइड? वो भी विरक्ति है. टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग, अगर ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट यू सी इट इज विरक्ति. इज दैट विरक्ति?
No.
Why?
Not God, for the love of God is not.
No, he has not understood the first 2 steps. First 2 steps. Through Acharyas, you understand who you are. What is your purpose? Then you get attached to, you realize that I have wasted my life. I have wasted my purpose of life. I have not just got the right focus of my life. ये सब चीज छोड़ के सीधा विरक्ति पे चला गया. बट क्या होता है, ऐसा व्यक्ति का क्या होता है? चलो विरक्ति हो गया, झगड़ा करके ट्रेन में चढ़ गया, काशी की थोड़ा दूर गया, और ट्रेन में आके बेचते हैं नींबू आम, आया नींबू लेके आया, देखा बढ़िया नींबू, इसका अचार बनाऊंगा. खरीदा 2 किलो नींबू खरीदा, फिर याद आया ये अचार बनाएगा कौन? बीवी बनाएगी. Got a reverse train, came back to his house and he said, बीवी लो अचार बनाओ इसको. अरे तुम तो गया था ना ये करने के लिए. ठीक है. So this type of virakti is useless. Not temporary, it's useless. This is not virakti. This is just on the spur of the moment you have taken a call. But actually, virakti means one should develop attachment towards God and detachment towards worldly things. And worldly things, detachment means, how can you explain that? How will you develop your detachment to worldly things? Towards your car, towards your iPhone, towards your whatever, your office, whatever it is. How will you develop a detachment? Let's not be theoretical, let's be practical.
ये मेरा है.
This is just for my use, and this is like not to.
How do we actually develop it on a day-to-day basis?
We feel that this is my own. This is my ownership. I am the owner of it.
Only thing.
You are the owner. There is no iota of doubt about it. तो ये आपका फोन नहीं तो क्या पड़ोसी का फोन है, आपकी गाड़ी नहीं तो पड़ोसी का घर क्या, यू आर द ओनर, देयर इज नो iota of doubt. You have to be very clear as if you have entered into a hotel. You enter a 5-star hotel, give you all the benefits. I think the mic is it's drained, the battery is drained. So if you have, let's say you entered into a 5-star hotel with a jacuzzi and name it all the menu also with vegan, this, that, American this thing, and what do you want, the best bed, the best room, suite room, everything is good. But in the back of the mind, you are very much aware that this is not what I'm going to carry home.
Temporary.
Okay, we Indians have got a dirty habit, that's different.
Stealing.
So that's secondary. But what is more important is we got to realize that everything what I'm using, this shower, this jacuzzi, this thing, I cannot carry after 2 days when I'm going to give up this room and go back to my house. I can't carry anything of this. And there will be very, very nice things in that 5-star hotel, mind you, which will not be there in your house. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you those things will not be there in your house. Though you may be a rich person, you don't, that's how hotels are made of. That's how hotels are made. So the bottom line is, this is how you develop detachment. कि भाई ये दिया है यूज करने के लिए, ये लेके तो मैं नहीं जा सकता हूं, मुझे यूज करना है. बट अच्छा टेबल दिया है, अच्छा सोफा दिया है, बैठो और वहां माला करो. अच्छा खाना मिला है, भगवान को भोग लगाओ, खाओ. Everything is A grade, not B grade. A grade, A+ grade. But that also you have to be with that. You have to enjoy that very much. Be it the best car, be it the best mobile, be it the best gadget, laptop, whatever you call it. Be the best. But छोड़ के जाना. When you buy a dress also with that thought process, that takes time. It doesn't happen overnight, it takes time. But the day you are able to do that, you are sure you are doing in Virakti. You are progressing in Virakti. That is the only process, and the problem is सुनते हैं पर घर में जाके और कल मेरे को वहां जाके ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. मैं the word das is most important in a devotee's life. I am a servant of God. I am not the owner or enjoyer. ये बात याद रखना. The word das is more important. Once Srila Prabhupada had given initiation to a few devotees. One devotee came and started fighting. Prabhupada, you have given him a nice name. My name is not good. उसको अच्छा नाम दिया, मेरे को अच्छा नाम. Very striking name. Prabhupada said, forget about that. Just focus on that das. Because every name is followed by a das. So what do you have to focus is? Das. That is more important. If you are able to focus that it is immaterial of what is there in your first name. आपका पहला नाम क्या है? इससे कुछ लेन देन. So when these three steps are done, then comes the fourth step. And the fourth step is भीति, fear. क्यों? अब पता चला कि भाई ये सब गलत है, मैंने इतने पाप किए हैं, पाप का ये दंड है. और क्यों? बिकॉज फोर्थ स्टेप के बाद फिफ्थ स्टेप, आई टोल्ड यू ओनली वी हैव टू वॉक 5 steps. उसके बाद भगवान का टेंशन है. फिफ्थ स्टेप इज शरणागति. बिकॉज यहां तक अब तक शरणागति हुई नहीं है, तब तक फियर रहेगा. हाँ, मैंने इतने गलत कार्य किए हैं, इसका पुण्य पाप पुण्य का हिसाब तो लगेगा, एंड लगेगा ही. टिल यू डोंट गो इनटू शरणागति मोड, ये लगेगा. You may, I must say, Prabhu, I chant rounds, I do this, I offer so much of donation, I do everything fine. But still, this is applicable. दैट इज ऑल्सो एप्लीकेबल, उसको पुण्य मिलेगा, मगर ये भी भुगतना। क्यों? यू आर स्टिल नॉट इन सरेंडर मोड. So bhiti is you have done so much of sins, and so many sins I have to suffer for that. एक एक sin मैंने सालों तक किया है, तो ये सब मुझे भुगतना है. And what if I miss this human chance? What is the next chance I'm going to get? क्या मुझे वापस मनुष्य का जन्म मिलेगा, वापस मुझे भक्ति करने मिलेगा, वापस मुझे ये सब करके बैक टू गॉड जाने मिलेगा क्या? And there are n number of ways in which one is pulled down. King Yayati, he had done so much of punyas, so much. Indra said, "आ जाओ मेरे बाजू में आसन लगा के बैठ जाओ," because he has now achieved that much of them. But in the heart of heart, Indra had a problem. He called Brahaspati, asked him, इसको कैसे नीचे ढकलूं? How can I push him down? You only called him. No? I called him because I was helpless. The amount of punyas he had done was so good. So Brahaspati told him secret formula. He asked, अच्छा आपने क्या क्या पुण्य किया? इंद्र asked Yayati, आपने क्या क्या पुण्य किया? अरे क्या बताऊं, मैंने कितना पुण्य किया. आई डिड सो मच ऑफ गोदान किया, इतना मैंने स्वर्ण दान किया, इतना लैंड दिया, इतना ब्राह्मणों को किया, ये वो स्टार्टेड लिस्टिंग हिज फुल लिस्ट ऑफ पुण्यस. एंड एवरी टाइम ही इज सेइंग दैट he started his seat started moving more towards the gate of heaven. And finally said, अच्छा ये सब आपने किया? हाँ, इसके ऊपर भी मैंने बहुत किया. The minute he said that, finished, he came down. Are we not doing the same thing? We are not proud of our achievements. Just because I have done this devotion, that devotion, you are losing those merits. Please remember that. आप lose कर रहे हो. It's high time that you keep it. You should be in the thought process. अरे मैंने आज तक क्या काम किया है, मैंने क्या किया है, अदर आचार्य से मेरे को इतने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया है, इतना करना चाहिए, मैं इतना तो कर रहा हूं, एटलीस्ट आई एम एबल टू डू दिस मच. दैट हम्बलनेस हैज टू कम इन दैट फियर. उस भीति में वो हम्बलनेस आना चाहिए. बिना फियर के हम्बलनेस नहीं आता. मेरे को आचार्य ने ज्ञान दिया है, मेरे को रियलाइजेशन भी हो गया है, और वो तो मेरे पास विरक्ति भी आ गई. All these are dangerous unless until you don't have the fear I have done. Because God's formula given in the Shastra is totally different. भगवान ने क्या बोला? तुमने आचार्य को शरणागति किया. Because इसके बाद the next step is शरणागति. But we will end with शरणागति. The other 4 steps let God discuss. Let's understand these 5 steps, because this we have to do. We have to put our efforts. So शरणागति. Then last 5th step is Sharanagati, wherein we surrender to God. And surrender means unconditional surrender, not conditional surrender. ये होगा तो नहीं, it should be unconditional. So when we are doing this surrender, when we are doing all this, Lord's equation with our karmas are totally different. We have got 2 karmas, sanchit karma and prarabdha karma. To understand this, very simple. लेट्स से आपके घर के बाहर एक ट्रक फुल ऑफ ग्रेन्स आया, चलो चावल आया, एक गेहूं आ गया, एंड एक साथ तो आप पूरा ट्रक का नहीं खा सकते, राइट? तो क्या करेंगे, एक बोरी में से थोड़ा सा निकाल के, और उसमें भी कैसे है साहब, ये ऊपर का बोरी है ना अच्छा वाला, थोड़ा नीचे का थोड़ा हल्का है, मैं दोनों में से थोड़ा थोड़ा देता हूँ, दोनों में से थोड़ा. So this is how our pap and punya are given for enjoying or suffering in this one birth. अब बाकी कितना है? फुल ट्रक लोड बाकी है, फुल ट्रक लोड बाकी है, इतना बिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस ऑफ लाइफ का ट्रक लोड पड़ा है. What about that? So Lord says, don't worry. One who surrenders, for him all that is neutralized. तो अब बचा क्या आपके पास? जो आपका प्रारब्ध है, पुण्यास एंड पापस, and they will be used for testing your devotion. Punyas will give you an ideal position for you to enjoy, or rather, in the process of enjoying, you will get detached from God. Vice versa, distress, your papas will put you in such a troublesome position. छोड़ना यार, पहला मैं नौकरी देखूं या पहला भक्ति देखूं. So you will have to be forced that. So both will be used to test you. आपको चेक करने के लिए कि भाई आप कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे. ये दोनों होने के बाद भगवान क्या कहते हैं, आचार्य क्या कहते हैं कि भगवान जिस दिन आप बोलोगे ना, भगवान मेरे को आना है आपके पास, he will take you. But at that point, what will be your what about your papas and punyas? What will happen to that? पूरा एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हुआ है तो पापस एंड पुण्यस
वो है ना, नहीं ये अकर्म करते हैं तो मिल जाता है.
अभी नहीं जले तो आप ईश्वर में के इतने बहुत हैं. हमारा ऐसा भी हो क्वालिटी इतना घटिया है.
नहीं जन्म
वो जलाना तो दूर की बात हो गया, फ्रिक्शन भी इतना हीट नहीं होता रहेगा, गर्म भी नहीं होता रहेगा, जलन तो दूर की बात है. आचार्य से वेरी नाइसली, जो भक्ति मार्ग में आपके अनुकूल थे ना उनको पुण्यस जाएगा, और जो प्रतिकूल थे वो ट्रबलिंग यू उनको जाके आपका पाप लगेगा. That's true. These are the things given in the Shastra, and we can see this in Dhruva Maharaj story. Uttandapa. Dhruva Maharaj's brother was Uttam. Uttam and his mother both were killed in the forest fire. Why? When Dhruva Maharaj was not a devotee, that time they troubled him. तो उनका प्रारब्ध तब कब लगा जब वो डिवोटी नहीं था, छोटा भक्त था, उसको तब उसको ट्रबल किया, सफरिंग दिया था सुरुचि ने. तो सुरुचि को और उत्तम को दोनों को मरना पड़ा. दे वर बर्न्ड द फॉरेस्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हेन ध्रुव महाराज वाज नॉट अ डिवोटी, दैट टाइम दे आर ट्रबल्ड. सो दिस इज द फैक्टर. योर पापास एंड पुण्यास विच रिमेन विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लाइक दैट. तो बी केयरफुल. ऐसा ये मत सोचना कि हाँ मेरा अभी बस हो गया, भक्ति हो गया, शुरू हो गया. नो, दिस पाथ इज वेरी यूजफुल, very very intricate. Because I just mention you what are the names of the rest of the steps, so you can note it down. Utkramana means leaving this body. How you will leave this body? कैसे इस शरीर को छोड़ोगे? अभी कहा है ना कि उत्तरायण में छोड़ना चाहिए, कृष्ण पक्ष में छोड़ना चाहिए, शुक्ल पक्ष में छोड़ना चाहिए. इसने ये वो भक्त के लिए एनी टाइम इट इज ओपन. It is ATM, anytime you can come. कभी भी बंद नहीं है. But these all applies to one who has not surrendered. For one who has surrendered, there is no time, good time, bad time. दिन में मरो, रात में मरो, एकादशी में मरो या ग्रहण के दिन मरो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. For a devotee, it doesn't matter. For a surrendered devotee, then Archanadi Margam, that is journey towards Vaikuntha, Divya Desha Prapti, that is entering into Vaikuntha, and then Prapatye, that is enjoying with the Lord in Vaikuntha. So these are the total 9 steps. So
What was 8?
8 was Divya Desha Prapti. Entering into Vaikuntha, that itself is a big achievement. And then finally, Prapatti, that is, you are getting enjoyment with God. So these are 9 steps out of Prapatti. That is, you are enjoying with the Supreme God. And that is the best part. That is actual independence and actual freedom eventually. So now you understand the realization of why he allowed Kali to stay back. भाई अगर ये 5 चीज अगर इंसान कर लेगा ना कलयुग में, जो इजी है, सत्संग में जाना है, भगवान के बारे में सुनना है, थोड़ा रियलाइजेशन होना चाहिए, थोड़ा पश्चाताप होना चाहिए, देन थोड़ा विरक्ति आना चाहिए, और उसके बाद
भीति
भीति, फियर आना चाहिए, भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, गड़बड़ है, एंड लास्ट सरेंडर। ये 5 चीज अगर कर लेता है, एंड इसके लिए जो आयु दिया है भगवान ने हमको इन दिस कलियुगा इज मोर देन इनफ। That is why it said, at the moment of time also, if you surrender to God, God will accept you. Okay, this we'll like to close to the session. Anything we'll discuss. Remaining part we'll discuss next time.